Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve 3x squared plus 11x minus 4 is equals to 0. So let's start with today's video solution. So to solve this quadratic equation, I am going to compare it with standard form of quadratic equation to find the value of a, b, c. So a is 3, b is 11 and c is minus 4. So we are going to use quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equals to minus 11 plus minus under root 11 square minus 4 times 3 times minus 4 by 2 times 3. So x is equals to minus 11 plus minus under root 11 square is 121, minus minus is plus, 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 3 is 48 by 6. So x is equals to minus 11 plus minus under root 169 by 6. X is equals to minus 11 plus minus under root 169. We can write it as 13 square by 6. X is equals to minus 11 plus minus under root 13 square. We can eliminate the square with square roots. 13 by 6. So x1 is minus 11 plus 13 by 6. And x2 is minus 11 minus 13 by 6. So x1 is 2 by 6, which is 1 by 3. And x2 is minus 24 by 6, which is equals to minus 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.